This 640-acre white cattle ranch is located approximately 32 plus miles east of the city of Fresno and 2.5 miles north of the town of Miramonte. Enjoy panoramic mountain and valley views from this secluded cattle ranch located in Sierra Nevada mountains. The elevation of the property is between 3,000 and 3,500 feet, which is above the fog and smog. The oak-studded terrain includes a variety of habitat from rolling grassy land to steeper brushy hills with manzanitas, redbud, and an abundance of seasonal wildflowers. Recreational activities may consist of hiking, horseback riding, ATVs, and hunting. Quail, deer, wild boar, and bear are some of the wildlife known to roam the property. The ranch can handle a 60 cow-calf operation. There are also Indian potholes and spectacular home sites with 360-degree panoramic views of the high country and the valley below. The White Cattle Ranch is a gateway to two national parks, the Sequoia National Park and Kings Canyon National Park, which are in relatively close proximity to the property. These parks feature a wide variety of sites and activities for the outdoor enthusiasts, such as the giant redwood groves with the famous General Grant and General Sherman trees, Cedar Grove along Roaring River, absolutely breathtaking, Hume Lake with its unbelievable beauty and serenity, Boyden and Crystal Caves, Morro Rock, day hiking, backpacking, horseback riding, and fishing along stretches of the wild and scenic Kern and Kings Rivers. A natural spring has historically been pumped into a tank for domestic use. The ranch includes extensive fencing, cattle corrals, and a loading chute. Additionally, the seller has leased a contiguous 160-plus acre parcel for $80 per year. Mill Creek runs through the BLM land where you can enjoy fishing for seasonal trout. The White family have enjoyed operating this beautiful ranch for the past 64 years. This truly is God's country, a peaceful place to raise cattle, build a home, a family, a great way of life in these beautiful mountains.